Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by turning on Notes AI so it can access your content. Open Settings, tap Notes, and enable the AI features. Sign into the Apple ID that holds your notes so syncing works. Once enabled, make sure the default account is iCloud Notes and opt into any available beta or privacy prompts. This gives the assistant permission to read and summarize your notes. You're starting the process now, so confirm sync completes before moving to the next steps. Now you'll apply AI to actual notes. Open a note, tap the AI action or the right icon, and type a clear prompt. Ask it to summarize, expand, create an outline, or convert notes into tasks. Use transitional wording like summarize into 5 bullets or rewrite as a friendly email to control tone and length. Make sure to review the suggestions inline. Edit the result if factual specifics need correction. Once done, accept or paste the output back into the note to keep everything organized. Finish by saving the AI-generated text where you want it. Either create a new note or append to the existing one, and then tidy headings and tags for search. Make sure to review any sensitive information and adjust notes privacy or iCloud settings if you prefer limited access. If the AI misinterprets a passage, rephrase your prompt with more context, include example lines, or break the request into smaller steps. This usually fixes accuracy issues. That one troubleshooting tip will resolve most common problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.